Today I'm going to grill some kebabs. These are cauliflower sesame garlic kebabs. And I'm going to use this Copper Chef grill pan, Copper Chef BBQ pan. And it's going to be great because it allows us to cook small things and not have anything fall through onto the burners. So it's also non-stick coating and really will be nice for this recipe. Right now I'm heating up some water on the grill in a pan, and I'm going to take this nice fresh cauliflower and cut it up into bite-sized pieces that we can skewer onto kebabs. Right, I'm just going to cut the main stem out of this, and the pieces of cauliflower will fall right off. See how nice when you pay to have vegetables already cut up. It's usually not worth it because look how easy it is to do. All right. So we want to make sure these are not too small because some pieces may fall off. So we want the florets to be something like this. And we're just going to collect them here in the pan until we get enough to throw them in the boiling water. See, something like this we can thread right onto a kebab. And I'm going to use chopsticks for my kebab holder. Like that. Alright, there we got some boiling water. I'm just using my regular old cast iron pan to get these steamed a little bit. If you were inside the house, you could just boil these a little and then blanch them in cold water, but we're just going to rough it out here on the grill. One got away. Alright, I just want them to get a little bit more tender, so let's let them steam. Alright, I think that's enough steaming here. You can see they got a little bit more flexible, but they're not going to fall apart on the stick. Get them out of the water. Alright, let's take them to the table so we can work with them. Looks good, huh? Now, I put some paper towels down under this grill pan. We're going to work right on this. And I'm going to use some regular old chopsticks for my skewers. And we're going to take each piece of cauliflower and thread it on to these skewers. See if we got the right sizes here. Now, this is a really nice thing to grill when you have other kebabs going on that have meat on them. You might have some people that are not meat eaters at your dinner party, your cookout. Now, the nice thing about this grill pan is we don't have to lose them off of here if they do fall off. So try to find a spot where it's a substantial spot to stick them through. Now, if you're going to make something that is going to be on the grill a long time, you might want to soak the sticks first so they don't burn, just like you would a plank. But these should be rather quick. Now, the Copper Chef pan recommends that you use heat that is medium to low in order to preserve the non-stick finish as best you can. Alright, I think we'll try these. Alright, pretty nice. Now we're going to take this sesame garlic sauce. You can also use sweet chili sauce or whatever kind of, Asian type cooking sauce you like. I like this sesame garlic. It's already flavored. You don't have to add a lot of ingredients, and you can get right on the grill real quick. just going to pour a little bit in a bowl here, and I'm going to use a brush to evenly cover this. It's nice and thick sauce. This one's from Wegmans, and there's a lot of good flavors in it. Now I turned the grill down to low, and I took the cast iron pan off the grill. So we're ready to move this right over. I like to let these sauces drip down into the cauliflower a little bit for a lot of flavor. Let's see if we can turn them over. Do the other side. The sweet chili sauce is a nice option too. That's one of my other favorite sauces. And then you could add some red pepper flakes if you like a little more spice. See, it's nice and thick. I find you actually do use quite a bit on these because it seeps down into all the cracks and crevices here. And the nice thing about this pan, if you have a couple extra, you just want to throw on there, you can, without even using these sticks. Like that. Alright, let's get this on the grill.
Good.
Alright, we're going to put this pan right on the grill. And set on low. We're going to cover it up and let it cook. Yummy. You can hear the sizzling going on here, but notice it's not real high flames coming up or anything like that. It's just cooking nicely. Caramelizing. Doing a nice job. And nothing sticks to this as we're cooking it. See how nice that is? Try flipping these over to the other side. Okay, take a look here. The grill pan's doing a great job. Nothing's sticking. Look how nice and browned these cauliflower pieces are getting. Flip them over again. I think we should get ready to take these off. And we'll put them on a plate and have a bite. It's a nice veggie kebab. Alright, I think it's time to get them off the grill. There we go. I'm going to grab that other piece. That's my favorite piece right there. Okay, I'm going to shut down the grill and we'll let these cool off a few minutes. Don't they look delicious? Let's let them cool off and we'll have a taste. I also have these spinach pies I was going to throw on for adding to our cookout here today, just to show you another idea. Warm up a pizza on here or some kind of stromboli or something, and these are a nice little spinach pie we're going to eat with the kebabs. I just want to show you, even though this isn't part of the real video, I did want to show you how nice this grill pan works. You can get grill marks on your stuff if you cook meat or bread or anything on here. It really makes a nice presentation. Okay, just wanted to show you.
Time to eat!
I got Rick here to help me taste these things, of course.
Plate level.
Just take a, this is a nice, you like the nice brown pieces.
Should I pick up a stick?
Well, that's kind of, just pick up a piece of cauliflower.
Yeah.
Yeah, like that. Cheers.
That was good.
It's still crunchy, huh? Yeah, this is good. Good flavor. Good veggie snack. Okay. Try this if you get a chance. That Copper Chef pan is great, as you can see. So, use it for things where it might fall off the stick. Right? And then you don't lose it down in the grill. Thanks for watching.